I will show you how to do a proper winged eyeliner and 6 different eyeliner styles. For starting up, I am using a regular kohl or kajal. You can use any kohl or kajal you have to tightline your waterline. I am just tightlining my upper waterline. This will automatically give you a lot more volume to your lashes, and your lashes will appear a lot more voluminous than they usually are. For the liner, I just like to prefer a felt tip liner or pen liner. You can use any liquid eyeliner you have, and the pointy nib of the felt tip liner actually help you to create very sharp and fine wings. For the technique, I must say that while doing an eyeliner, you just need to place your hand on your face. This will give you a lot more control. You can also place your elbow on the table so that your hand can work very steadily. The first look is the classic winged eyeliner look. To achieve this look, it is said that you have to draw the line usually from the area where your eyebrows ends, and I am just drawing an inverted triangle in the outer corner of my eyes in a very rough way. You have to draw this triangle very roughly and in a very loose hand. Later on you will be filling it with a liquid eyeliner. Now I am started on drawing lines very close to my lash line from the tear duct area towards the outer corner using very small strokes. You have to use a very small strokes because this just gives you a lot more control over the liner, as well as you can just avoid a lot more mistakes. Now I am just filling up the wing. You can just build up the wing using liquid eyeliner as well. You can just also thicken up the liner according to your desired thickness. I just preferably like to use my liner in a slanting way so that I can just achieve a lot more sharpness and pointy edges to the wings. To finish up the look, I am using a nude pencil in my lower waterline and loads of mascara. It's a very classy look, and you can just pair it with nice bold lips. Curved cat eyeliner look. It's one of my favorite looks, and to start off, I am drawing a very curved line in the outer corner of my eye, and I am just dragging that line towards the lash line. I am using very light-handed way because using light hand will actually help you to achieve the perfect curved line. You will later on build up the wing. Now with small strokes, as I did in the previous look, I am just started on drawing the actual liner from the tear duct region towards the outer corner of my eye. Using small strokes helps me to have my desired thickness of the liner and also give me a lot more control over the eyeliner look. I am just now building up the wing which I have created, that is the curved wing which I have created in the outer corner of my eye. The more sharp you will create the curved wing, the more cat eye it will look. You can use a liquid eyeliner as well. I am using this liquid eyeliner to sharpen up the edges of that curved cat wing which I have created. This will also intensify the desired black color that I need in my wing. For the lower waterline, I am using the kohl or kajal which I have used to tightline my upper waterline. Now I am just smudging this kohl with the help of a black eyeshadow. You can see this is such a dramatic look. You can just have a nude lip or a bold lip with this cat eyeliner look. The double winged eyeliner look. This is the third look, and to achieve this look, I started on drawing small strokes of liner as we did in the previous looks, and I am just drawing a regular classic wing. This wing is not so intense as you can see, and I will be just building up this liner a little more, and the wing we will just work on later. Now what I am going to do is that I am just creating another wing parallel to the previous wing which I have created in the outer corner of my eye. You have to be careful while doing this eyeliner because you want to make the two wings away from each other, not just attached with each other. You have to build up these two wings, and for building up these two wings you can just use this felt tip liner as well as a liquid eyeliner. You can see this has created two open wings at the end of my eye. I am using this liquid eyeliner to just intensify the black. I am just correcting the edges of the two wings which I have created. To finish up this look, I am taking a black eyeshadow in an angular brush and I am just running it through my lower lash line. And also using a nude eye pencil in the lower waterline of my eyes. This will help you to open up your eyes and your eyes will appear a lot more open and brighter. This is also a very nice dramatic look. It's a little bit tricky to draw the wings, but I really like this look. The next look is the colorpop look. It's a fun summery look which you can just wear throughout the spring or summer season. To achieve this look, I am just drawing the line from the tear duct region and I am just drawing the line a little above my lash line and just dragging the line towards the end of my eyebrows. I am just drawing another line at the inner corner of my eyes and also just pulling the line towards the previous line as well. Both of these lines are just running parallel to each other and we can see that there is a gap in between the two lines that I have created on my lid. Now I am taking this hyperglossy liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. It's in the shade Laser Green. It's a gorgeous turquoise shade and I am just putting this liner in the gap between the two liner lines which we have created before. You have to fill up the gaps in between and you can see this just created such a colorful look. You can just intensify the black liner as well. You want the black to peek through, so you won't be just covering up the black liner. You will be keeping it and just intensifying it. This just adds such summery vibes to your look. Now to finish up the look, I am again using the nude pencil in my lower waterline, which will help me to open up my eyes. It's such a gorgeous summery look and you can just add a bold lip color with this look. The fifth look is the box eyeliner look. To achieve this look, I am at first drawing a box in the outer corner of my eye in a very light-handed manner. You just need to use your hand in a very light way to achieve the desired box. Later on, you will be just filling up the box with the help of your liner. Now, as usual, I am started on drawing the liner from the tear duct region using small strokes, and I am just increasing the thickness of the liner. You can just build up the liner in this way. Now it's time to fill up the box. You can just use a felt tip liner to fill up the box of your eyeliner. But for me, I just prefer to fill up the box with the help of the liquid eyeliner. This just gives me a lot more desired intense black look, and I can just sharpen out the edges very nicely with the help of this liquid liner. You have to be very careful about the box because otherwise it will look like a smudged wing, so you have to be a lot more careful while creating the box at the outer corner of your eye. To finish up the look, I am using the kohl or kajal in my lower waterline. Now I am taking this glitter eyeliner from Hilary Rhoda. It's a golden glitter eyeliner, and I am just drawing a line in the lower waterline. Just adds such a glamour to the eyes, you can see. You can just wear this look to a lot of parties, and without a great dedicated eyeshadow look, this just looks so much gorgeous, and you can just play around with a lot more colors. Last look is a 60s bold winged eyeliner look. This is another one of my favorites, and to achieve this look, I am just placing my felt tip liner in a slanting way in the outer corner of my eye and just drawing a big inverted triangle in the outer corner of my eye. I am slowly building up the liner from the tear duct region towards the outer corner. You can see you have to use very loose hand at first, but later on you can just intensify the color by using a liquid eyeliner. I am using a liquid eyeliner to build up the wing or the triangle which I have created in the outer corner of my eye. You can also use that liquid liner to sharpen the edges. This will just help you to create a very sharp wing and an intense black wing. I really love this look. To finish up this look, I am using the nude pencil in my lower waterline. This will help to open up my eyes, and it's such a gorgeous eyeliner look. You can see this is such a gorgeous eyeliner look. I really like this look, and I really wore this look in a lot of parties during the winter time, and I just paired this look with a bold classic red lip. That's all for today, guys. These are all the 6 eyeliner styles. I hope you just like this video, and if you do, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Bye.